Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rolling Moment. I've been absent for a bit, been really busy, multiple projects going on at one time, but some big news coming soon, so keep watching. In the meantime, we're out here at Frontline Eurosports. Check out the Triumph Demo Day. We got a bunch of bikes out here to try out. Let's take a look at them. We got that Daytona 660. Really like that color. Here we have a Trident 800. Looks really good. Next up, the Speed Triple 1200 RS. That is a fast bike. Next up, Street Triple 765 RX. Another really nice looking bike. I like it. And then here we go, a Street Triple 765 RS. And then we got the big one, the Triumph Rocket 3R. Whew. 2.5 liters. Just doesn't make any sense, does it? The torque monster. Looks really good. Well, I'm looking forward to riding all of these bikes. All right, just wrapped up riding all of these beautiful bikes. It was so much fun. Just every bike has its own character. Each one of them is an animal in its own right. And it was just so much fun to come out, try out every single bike, and experience each one, figure out its own characteristics. Loved every second of it. Well, if you can, find a demo day near you, experiment with different bikes, keep riding, come out to Frontline Motorsports. I'll catch you next time.